So 2026 is here, and this is again gonna be an year of AI where you will get to hear a lot of AI updates. Plus, at the same time, the job market and the internship market is gonna take a hit because you might need to know some skills, some tools that are very relevant for the job market right now. And today I'm going to share with you a special resource that Google has recently launched known as Google Skills, through which you can not only learn, plus you can get badges from Google on completing some of their courses in generative AI, machine learning, data engineering, and a lot more. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more such AI content coming ahead. Now let's see what this platform is. So when you log into this platform, the platform is skills.google. You just need to type the skills.google and you'll be on the screen here in front of me. You would be asked what you want to learn today. For example, you want to learn machine learning or cloud architecture, generative AI, data analyst, or security funder. For example, I select generative AI. So what it does is it will give me all the courses in which there's generative AI. For example, if you are somebody who's experienced enough and you want to learn about generative AI and you want to establish your thought leadership skills, and there is a generative AI leadership course. If you are just beginning, right, if you just want to start, so there's something known as Gen AI Explorer with Vertex AI. So from beginner to intermediate to advanced, you'll find all kind of courses here, like beginner intro to generative AI. If somebody who wants to start with generative AI, this can be a perfect course with 5 activities, and this is being managed by Google Cloud. You can see 5 different courses. What is intro to generative AI? It's a 45 minutes understanding class, 1 hour course on intro to large language models, for 15 minutes course on introduction to responsible AI, prompt design and Vertex AI and responsive. I think this can be a good kickstarter if you want to start with GR generative AI thing. Maybe after that you can like if you already have a background of machine learning, you can look out for machine learning, but here you'll find some courses on and around machine learning as well. So there are deep dive courses also if you are somebody who wants to have that kind of professional knowledge. But there are some beginner challenges also, some quizzes also, after which you'll be getting Google certified badges. Those badges you can use on your LinkedIn profile, or you can showcase it to your friends or to your recruiters. So this is also something that you should check out. Intro to ML. Within intro to ML, there is something known as language processing. So this is again a course. You can, once you complete the course, you get a course badge, course completion badge on their platform. So this is the dashboard. You can look out for what exactly you want. You will have your league established here. Like once you start doing courses, you will see your leaderboard, your name here, how many people are ahead of you, how many people are below you. You'll get to see how many skill badges you've got. You'll get to see how many certificates you have got and what all certifications do you have. So all of that data would be here, and this is something you can check out. So on their collections part, right, there's something known as AI boost bytes. When I say AI boost bytes, so these are like learn AI in 10 minutes with AI boost bytes. So if you're looking out for very crisp mini courses, right, so how can you tame your inbox with AI, how can AI power up your Google workspace, what is intro to notebook LM. So these are 10 minutes courses that you can explore on their website as well. Apart from this, there are career certificates also. If you're looking forward to something like this, you can check out, but these would be managed by Coursera and you can go and participate there. These might be paid, but you can apply for a financial aid and you will get a lot of discount there. Plus there are some courses in cloud. If you want to be generative AI ready in cloud, introduction to Gemini Enterprise, cloud AI infrastructure, and some other courses, then this is again very relevant. And then last is DeepMind. From DeepMind also there are some courses, be it Google DeepMind representing your language data, how can you design and train neural networks. So these are some in like very research oriented courses, right? So you'll have a course on how to train a small language model, how to discover the transformer architecture, how to train a small language model in a challenge lab, how to represent your language data, AI research foundations, and a lot more. So these are some of the courses that you can find it out here, and you should definitely do it. I think this is going to be very useful for anyone who is looking forward to upskill in 2026 and start with a company and organization like Google, providing you the best of information, best of quality, and a lot more. If you need any specific course, let me know in the comments below, and for more such amazing videos, make sure you do follow.